veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words.
Let me introduce Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you very much for coming this evening. If not just about connecting people with passions, I think you pretty much covered that whole passion area off, from what I hear.
Thanks a lot, and first of all, good evening everyone. I've suddenly reached a stage in my career and age when my cartoons look better than I look. So that was a bit of a problem, and then you have the leading personality from Nokia, Bob, who's better looking and taller than me. But thank you so much. The idea is you reach a stage in your career, you reach a stage in your business also, where it does not remain important anymore that what I'm doing for me or what another company or someone of the status as Nokia is doing for themselves. It reaches a stage where you feel what you have created, myself as an entertainer, and I'm sure Nokia as a leading technological company and of mobile devices and other services. You reach a stage where you feel, is there any more connect? Is there any more platforms? Is there any more spread that we can bring about with the technology that we have at our disposal? And Nokia has always been a leader in that all over the world. I do not need to stand here and tell you how wonderful the company is. It has proven itself over years around the world. And when we approached them from our company and from our film and said, is there some possibility that a mobile device can take entertainment further? They were most forthcoming, and they said, yes, of course we can. We don't know how, but we'll do something. And that really is what really proves that people who do good businesses, who are responsible for trying to reach the masses, will always come up with an idea. So this is just the beginning, this tie-up. I think what is the future is that mobile devices are going to find a bigger place in our hands, in our hearts, in our houses, and Nokia is going to lead the way, and in our small way, myself. It's not just about the film. I know you must be sick of me telling you about Om Shanti Om, Om Shanti Om. Now the stage has reached where you must be saying, देख ही लेते हैं, इतना कह रहा है यार, बहुत परेशान हो गए, चलो देख लो यार, बार बार आगे, हर रोज इसी को जाकर मिलना पड़ता है. मेरे फ्रेंड राजू और प्रदीप तो फोटो भी नहीं खींचते मेरी, ऐसे ही फ्लैश करते रहते हैं, कह रहे हैं पिछली फोटो भी सेम है, शर्ट भी सफेद ही पहनी थी परसों भी. I am running out of clothes now to come for these functions, but thank you so much for being here. And I just want to say this, and I say this with all deep honesty, that this synergy, this amalgamation, this togetherness is not just for individual businesses. These are the platforms which are going to be created, and I think it's my duty as a movie actor who's been working and has been doing well, thanks to all of you and the audience, that I should take the first step, and obviously they also think of it as their duty, as their job, that they should synergize entertainment with communication and mobile devices and take it further, because that really is the future. And our country is on the threshold of being one of the highest users. I've been told that 500 million people are going to use mobile devices in the coming next 2 years. So it's important for us, all of us in the media, to start using this platform. So I thank Nokia, and I thank all of you, and I would like everyone to understand this. Please, television guys, don't feel bad, but you are going to be overtaken by telephone and mobile devices very soon. But this is a pathway towards the future. So I thank everyone who's responsible for it in small ways. If we can be of help, I'll always be there. And you must have seen the wonderful animation, my six-pack and everything that was there. And like I said, it's the beginning. On this telephone, they have a lot more things. They have wallpapers, which is a regular thing. Obviously, the music, they have some scenes. The memory has been worked upon in such a way that all this does not clog the telephony part of the mobile device. So all this is there. And I personally do believe it's easily, technologically, lifestyle-wise, Nokia is the finest company. I've been using a communicator for years, and it comes handy for other things also. When you want to beat up people, it's big enough to hurt you. You put 4 wheels on it, you can use it as a car. You want to do makeup, open it, and there is a, like a glass there. So I've been using it. It's a great device, and I hope that this togetherness continues, and you people enjoy it in terms of entertainment and in terms of technology. Thank you.
Thank you, Sean.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you very much.
मैं हूँ मद्रास राजा स्वामी शांतिनाथन मुनियदार मुनियदार ना रंबा no nillai raki yatti patti katti ha 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 yanna raskala mind it I say mind it.
As you notice, I'm getting more and more romantic as I'm getting older.
Ladies and gentlemen, last question please.
See, it's not as a production entity, Red Chillies Entertainment. I would like to say we all get up with that thought in the morning that we are doing a business, we are taking out a product, and inshallah our product should be the best one that hits the market on that day. And that is the main thought in our minds as creative and business people in our company. So I will continue to think that whatever may be the outcome, because I work very hard, the company works very hard. The results always come in after the movie is released. Movie is not released yet. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So the film will come out, I hope, more than anything else, more than the money, more than the businesses, more than beating up XYZ, which I'm not so aggressive. I love everyone. I think Savaria will be a wonderful, wonderful film made by a lot of friends, and a lot of people should go and see it. And I say that with all goodness of my heart. But my sense of achievement, 17 years, मैंने भी झक नहीं मारी. So my whole idea is that people should, the product that I've brought in is with a lot of love and a lot of happiness. I hope everyone goes and sees it. And if a lot of people love the offering of love that my company has made, that is the achievement. The monies and all will keep happening. For 17 years, everybody's been telling me I overact. So it comes easy to me. Though I've tried to change all that with serious cinema like Chak De and all that I do. There will be a handful who come and say, oh, we really like you in Chak De. So that's nice, but thanks for liking Chak De so much. But to me, as an actor, it's a great year because I do something like a KBC, which reaches everybody's house. I do a film like Chak De, which is on one end of the spectrum. And the same year I do something like Om Shanti Om, which is completely at the other end of the spectrum. So to me it's a very satisfying year at the job. So I hope everyone enjoys the madness. Diwali और Diwali सिर्फ मेरी Happy Diwali.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the question and answer session. Thank you so much, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and thank you so much, Mr. Bob McDougall, for doing us the honors. There's also thanking all the members of the press and media for making this evening worthwhile. Please do join us for refreshments and have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and